નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th Mathematics, Chapter 14, Statistics. So let's start exercise. Here, good morning, students. Today, let us discuss question number 7. In this, we have to find the mean for the concentration of sulfur dioxide in A. Some cities, in a city, 30 different localities were selected, and the concentration of sulfur dioxide in these 30 localities that was noted down here. You can see the concentration of the sulfur dioxide in 30 localities, that is 0.04, 0.002, 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08. This is parts per million. This concentration is parts per this many parts per million parts. So here this concentration of the sulfur dioxide given, and the frequency. There are 4 localities having this concentration, 9 localities having this concentration, and so total 30 localities concentration is given here in the data that was collected. So our question is to find mean for the concentration of sulfur dioxide, mean concentration of the sulfur dioxide here in certain city of these different localities. So let us find out. So for this, first of all, we have to go for the class length or class width. So class width is what? Nothing but the difference between any two consecutive upper boundary points or lower boundary points. You can take any upper boundary point or lower boundary point, difference is 0.04. So class width 0.04. Now let us go for class mark, that is central value. So here you can see central value 0.00 and 0.04. Both we have to add our lower and upper boundary points divided by 2. So you will get 0.04 by 2, that is 0.02. Similarly here 0.04 plus 0.08 divided by 2, that is 0.12 by 2, that is 0.6. But now as we know the class width, we can keep on adding class width also. 0.04 if we keep on adding, then we will get 0.10, 0.14, 0.18, 0.22. Is it clear? Now we have to go for step deviation. So for step deviation, first of all, here we are going to talk about assumed mean step deviation method. So we have to assume the mean, and as the class interval here, you can say same with the same class length. So we can follow step deviation method. So in this now here, first of all, we have to go for assumed mean. So we can take any central value. Here there are two values, so any one of that we have to select. That is here A is equal to 0.14, that is assumed mean. Now we can find out the step deviation for each observation. So each observation minus assumed mean divided by class width. So here observation 0.02 minus 0.14, that is 0.12 divided by 0.04. So that is 4 3s are 12. So here we will get -3. Similarly 0.06 minus 0.14, so you will get 0.08 divided by 0.04, as it is negative. Here 2 4 2s are 8, -2, -1. Here you will get always 0, because 0.14 minus 0.14 will become 0. Then 1, 2, as class length, equal class length, you will get here in this sequence. Now let us go for FIUI, that is product of frequency and step deviation. So 4 3s are 12. So here you will get -12, 9 2s are 18. You will get -18, 9 1s are 9, -9. Here 0 2s are 4 1s are 4, and 2 2s are 4. So now what is the total sum? So we have to add them. Here 4 4 8. So we will get here -30 and -39 and +8. So here it is -31. So -31 is here sigma FIUI, that is summation of product of frequency and step deviation. So now our question is to find mean. So therefore let us find out mean. Therefore mean x bar is equal to assumed mean plus class width multiplied by sigma FIUI divided by sigma Fi, that is sum of the frequency. So substitute the value. Here when we substitute the value, here what is the assumed mean? 0.14. So 0.14 plus here class width, that is 0.04 multiplied by here negative 31 Fi ui, negative 31 divided by sigma Fi, that is 30, sum of frequency. So here what we will get? Here therefore mean is equal to, we will get 0.14 minus here 0.04 multiplied by negative 31 by 30. So when we multiply this, we will get the negative value, and the product is here 0.041 you will get. So on subtracting, here we will get 0.099 is the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide of in the air in a particular city of 30 localities. Now next question is question number 8. A teacher has following absentee record of 40 students. A teacher has following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the term. So for a particular term, number of days, here 0 to 6 days, how many students remained absent? 11. Then 6 to 10 days, 10 students remained absent. So here 40 days record, 40 students here record is there, 40 students for few days, here number of days. So 38 to 40 days, how many students remained absent? Only one. So 40 students record of absentees here given. Now we have to find the mean of number of days, mean of number of days of the student that a student remained absent. Okay, to find this is, now we have to see, this is the class given, and this frequency, that is the number of students remained absent for number of days. This data is given. We have to find the mean number of days. So to find the mean number of days, what shall we do here? Here we have to go for first of all class width. We can see what is the class width. You can see here 0 to 6, or you can see here the 6 and 4, 6 and 10, the difference is 4. Here 10 and 14, difference is 4. Here 14 and 20, difference is 6. It means here class length is, or class width is not same. So it is better to go for direct method. This type of questions can be solved by direct method also easily. So let us proceed. So for direct method, before we go for that, first of all we have to find out class mark or central value, that is 0 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then 6 plus 10, 16 divided by 2, that is 8. Then 10 plus 14, 24 divided by 2. So that is 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Similarly 14 plus this divided by 2, that is 17. And 20 plus 28, 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Then 28 plus 38 divided by 2, that is 66 divided by 2, that is 33. And 38 plus 40, that is 78 divided by 2, and that is 39. So here we got the frequency for we got the here central value or the class mark for each class. Now our question is to find mean direct method. So Fi xi, so we have to go for the summation of Fi xi. So we have to go for the product. 11 3s are 33, 10 8 ja 80, 7 12 ja 84, 17 4 ja here 68, then 4 24 ja here 96, 333 ja 99, and 139 ja 39. So here sigma Fi xi, summation of this product. So what is the sum? On adding this, we will get here 499 total. Okay, so now we have to find the mean. So therefore mean is equal to here direct method, that means sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. So this is the direct method. So sum of this product is 499 divided by here 40, that is the sum of frequency. So on calculation here you will get this result, that is mean is equal to here on dividing this we will get 12.439 75. So approximately we can say it is 12.48. This is approximate mean. So we can say approximately up to 2 decimal places we got here. 12.48 is the number of days. This is number of days the students here 40 students that remain absent. That is mean number of days the student remain absent in the class. Now question number 9. In this question 9, you can see we have been given table that gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Find the mean literacy rate in percentage. Here there are 3 cities having literacy rate 45 to 55%. 10 cities having this literacy rate, 11 cities, 8 cities and 3 cities. So total 35 cities, the literacy rate is given in this range. Now our question is to find the mean literacy rate. Here you see the class length is equal class length as there is a class width is same. You can see 55 and 65 difference is 10, or 85 and 95 difference is 10, or 65 and 75 difference is 10. So we say the class length, there is a difference between, or we say the class mark, class length or class width, there is h. The difference between 2 consecutive upper boundary points or 2 consecutive lower boundary points is 10. So here class length 10. Now let us go for first of all class mark. Then we can go for assumed mean. So class mark means central value or mid value. So 45 plus 55, that is 100 divided by 2, and that is will get 50. Similarly 55 plus 65 divided by 2, and that is 120 divided by 2, that is will get 60. As the class length is 10, we will get the class mark as the continuous frequency distribution with equal class length. We will get the class mark also with equal class length, that is 70, 80 and 90. Now we have to go for assumed mean. Let the assumed mean A is equal to, here you see any central value we can consider 50, 60, 70. So we can take here assumed mean mid value, that is suppose we say here 70. So that is 70. Okay. So now we have to go for the therefore we have to calculate the step deviation, that is xi, each observation minus assumed mean divided by class width. So using this fact, let us calculate step deviation. So for step deviation you can see here now. Here each observation minus assumed mean, that is negative 20 divided by 10. So we will get negative 2. Similarly, as it is equal class length, we will get negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. So now we can go for Fi Ui, product of Fi Ui, frequency multiplied by Ui, step deviation, that is 3 to the negative 6, 10 1 ja negative 10, take k, we have to multiply Fi Ui, not xi. So 11 0 ja 0, 8 1 ja 8 and 3 2 ja 6. Now we have to add 8 plus 6, that is 14, and here negative 16. So total sum of this is equal to here sigma Fi Ui is equal to negative 2. Okay. So that is here sigma Fi negative, sigma Fi Ui negative 2. So now we can calculate, therefore mean is equal to assumed mean plus class length sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. So for calculation here, let us substitute the value. Here A is assumed mean, we have taken 40 plus class length 10 in bracket multiplied by Fi Ui is negative 2 divided by sigma Fi, that is sum of the frequency, that is number of cities, 35. So we will get, therefore mean is equal to 70. Here as product is negative, you can see 10 to the negative 20 divided by 35. So on cutting the common ones, here you will get negative 2 by 35 and multiplied by 10. So you will get negative 4 by 7. Now simplifying, this mean is equal to, we can take the LCM, and so we will get 486 divided by 7, and that is equal to, here on dividing this we will get 69. On dividing 69 point, we will get 4285. So here approximately it is 69.43. Round off up to 2 decimal places. So that is 69.43 percentage is the literacy rate of these 35 cities. So here this part is over. Now next time we have to continue with questions on mod.
Thank you for joining us.